All right, so today we're looking at the Splitfire 4413. Now you can see this bad boy here has a couple options, but most importantly it's a high flow kit. That means 13 horsepower, 28 gallons a minute. It's also got a 20-gallon reservoir, which is quite a bit bigger than our standard reservoirs, and it's an 8-inch lift. So I'm 6'1", and you can see how much taller this machine is than our standard or even our 4-inch lifts. The extra 4 inches goes quite a ways. So this being a 4000 series frame, it's rated for 32 tons, and with the high flow kit you get a cycle time of 6.5 seconds. That's compared to the regular 4490 with the regular engine on it would be 11.5. So it's almost cutting the cycle time in half, and remember that's there and back, so that's 2 splits for that cycle. Now for a lot of the stuff that we have here today, this machine is super overkill, but you'll get a good idea of what a 4000 series high flow kit can do and just how productive it can be. But anyways, let's get this machine fired up and let's have some fun. That's a lot of fun, and I can get used to that really quick. The power and the speed is nice. Now, a lot of this stuff here is pretty simple, and the Ford makes quick work of it because it's all fairly straight grain stuff. So we're going to go find a much bigger chunk here just to show you what it can do on a bit of a bigger, gnarlier piece. But all in all, if you're looking to split wood, maybe to sell it, or if you got a processor and you're looking for something to split the big nasty stuff, this will do it, and it'll make pretty short work of it too. So if you got more questions about stroke lengths, the high flow kit specifically, or any other options, you can see more at split-fire.com, or, I mean, don't be afraid to give us a call at the office anytime during business hours. Take it easy.